A French bank launches its third UK Fintech incubator in 4 years. BNP Paribas Personal Finance claims they're helping British startups innovate. But here's what they're not telling you. This is Fintech's Fair Play. We expose the hidden mechanisms behind financial innovation. Today we're investigating how corporate incubators really work. 75% of venture-backed fintech startups never return investor money. 90% of all startups fail within 5 years. Yet BNP Paribas boasts a 50% success rate with their incubator participants. 4 out of 8 companies from their previous program made it to customer trials. That's not innovation support. That's systematic talent extraction. Here's how the scheme works. BNP Paribas serves 4 million customers across the UK. They invite British startups to solve their business challenges for free. Successful solutions get trialed with just 1 million customers through their My Creation app. The startups do the research and development. BNP Paribas keeps the intellectual property. This year's focus is generative AI for customer communications, a technology sector where innovation costs millions. BNP Paribas gets 8 teams working on this challenge. They provide mentorship and co-working space. Startups provide cutting-edge solutions worth potentially hundreds of millions. The math is simple. French bank gets premium R&D for the cost of office rent. Supertech WM and Steam House join as innovation partners. These organizations legitimize the operation. They make it look like genuine regional development. But examine the outcomes. Only globally profitable digital banks number 23 out of 453. That's a 5% success rate. Yet established banks like BNP Paribas consistently extract value from startup innovation. Applications close September 5th. Startups must commit to being present in Solihull and Birmingham. This geographic requirement isn't about collaboration, it's about control. Distance from London's financial ecosystem, limited access to independent legal and financial advice, maximum dependency on the program's terms. Artificial intelligence represents the biggest technology shift since the internet. BNP Paribas positions this as exploring customer engagement. The reality is more sinister. They're harvesting AI innovations without bearing development risks. When startups fail, BNP Paribas loses nothing. When startups succeed, BNP Paribas controls the technology. Stephen Hunt, BNP Paribas CEO, talks about maintaining their position as a leader. Leaders don't extract innovation from others. They create it themselves. It's systematic exploitation of the British startup ecosystem. French financial institutions are using UK incubators as colonial extraction mechanisms. They take British innovation, British talent, and British intellectual property. In return, they offer vague promises of partnership and market access. The uncomfortable truth is simple. Corporate incubators aren't about helping startups succeed. They're about ensuring big banks control the future of financial innovation. Every startup that enters these programs trades potential independence for guaranteed subordination. The house always wins. And the house is in Paris. If this investigation opened your eyes to how corporate incubators really operate, subscribe to Fintech's Fair Play. Hit the notification bell to never miss our latest investigations. Share this video with any entrepreneur considering corporate accelerator programs. The truth about financial innovation needs to be heard.